I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube channel, a profitable YouTube channel, and how to customize it. Okay, so make sure you stick to this video from the very beginning to the end. Okay, so you will not miss out any parts. Okay, welcome to African YouTube Coach. In this channel we'll be learning how to grow as a content creator on all social media platforms, how to create content. We will learn a lot of things that will help us to succeed in content creation journey. Okay, so if this is your aim, that you want to grow in the content space, do well to subscribe to this channel, okay, and turn on the notification bell so that you will always be notified each time I create a new video. Okay, so I'm starting a new channel from scratch, okay, so that we all will be growing step by step gradually. Okay, so I will carry you along from start to finish. Okay, so do well to hit that subscribe button. So now, you know, the first thing you have to do is to create an email. I believe you all know how to create email address. Okay, so I've created my email, but if you still don't know how to create an email address, you can drop that in the comment section, okay, and I will guide you on how to create an email address. So being that we've created an email address, so once you've created an email address, then you open your YouTube app. Okay, when you open your YouTube app, you see these icons below here. Okay, you see the first icon here is home, the next one is shorts, then the next one is plus icon, which represent upload. Okay, then we have the subscriptions. Okay, then we have you. Okay, you click on the you. Okay, then here, if the current email address, probably you have several email address and this is not the particular one, you can click on switch account, okay, to select the particular email you want to use to open the channel. Okay, so I want to use this African YouTube Coach. Okay, so you have signed into that very one, so you click on that same you again, then you tap on the name. Once you tap on the name, it will take you to the interface where you do some edits. Okay, so here now, what you will do here is you check the name, okay, then check the handle. If this is not the handle you need, you click on this pencil icon, which is the edit. Okay, then let me use African YouTube Coach 1. Okay, so if it's available, it will show this green icon. Okay, this green to show is available, so you click save. Okay, so leave the picture for now. Okay, leave it for now. So then check the name, click on this very place, name African YouTube Coach. If the name here is not the name you want to bear, then you click on the pencil icon, then you edit the name. After editing the name, you click save. Okay, then when you're done with that, you click on create channel. Okay, so your channel is created already. Okay, so you've created a YouTube channel. Okay, now being that we've created a YouTube channel, maybe you want to add the image from here, that is your logo and your banner from here. You still click on this pencil icon. Okay, once you click on it, then from here you can now edit it. Okay, you click on this camera icon, this for the banner, the longer this thing, click on it, choose the banner. Then if it's for logo, okay, this small second one is logo. Okay, then you click on it again, you change it. Okay, all right, so now let's go to customization. So when you are done with that, then you go over to your browser. Okay, now this customization will help YouTube to recommend your videos to people that will actually like your content and subscribe to your channel. Okay, people that are interested in the kind of niche you are into. Okay, so that is what that customization and optimization will help you to achieve. Okay, now let's go to my Chrome browser. Okay, so click on Chrome, then you search, you type studio.youtube.com, you search. Okay, it's loading. Okay, it has opened. So you click on continue to studio. Don't click on get the app. So click on continue to studio. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so now what you need to do, okay, first there's something I want us to do quickly, okay, before we come back to this place. Just don't skip any part of this video, okay, so you understand. Okay, so now let me navigate first. Okay, so here, if you want to navigate, you click on this icon. Maybe the channel here is not the one you want to customize, so you click on this logo. Once you tap on it, you see switch account. You click on it. Okay, you see a lot of channels based on the email you've created on your phone, but if you are just creating your first email, you won't see this. Okay, so I will select African YouTube Coach. Okay, so why I have a lot of emails is because there are a lot of people that I help to customize and manage their YouTube channel. Okay, all right. So now there's something I want us to do quickly, because there's something we call keywords. Okay, now keywords, we need to add keywords to our channel. Okay, so these keywords is what will help YouTube to know what your channel is about and to attract the right audience for you. Okay, and to push out your videos to people that will actually watch it, engage and interact with your content. Okay, so now you don't need to start racking your brain to know the keywords to add. Now let me show you what I mean by that. If you look down below here, you see settings. You click on settings. Okay, tap on it. Okay, it will load. Then you click on channel. So now look at the keywords here. Okay, so there is no keyword here. Okay, so now let's go back to YouTube so that we can look for channel that is doing exactly what you do. Okay, so now let's go back to YouTube. So now this is YouTube. I'll click on home, then search. Now I'm into YouTube growth. Okay, now if you are into cooking, you search for how to cook or how to do this. So you search for video that is related to what you want to start talking about, or the kind of content you want to start creating on YouTube. Okay, you search that kind of content here. Okay, so now how to grow on YouTube. So that is the kind of content on YouTube. Okay, it's loading. So now I'll now look for channel that that has high number of views. Okay, channel that is actually doing well. Okay, so I can at least use their keywords so that YouTube, my channel, can also be ranking. Okay, so now I'll look for a ranking this. Okay, now you can click on this three dots. Okay, you click search filters. Okay, you select channel, you scroll down up here. Okay, now here you click on channel. Okay, so it will bring out the channel for you as well. Okay, now this one has 6.6k this okay. Okay, 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 so there are actually a lot of YouTube creators. Okay, so this is what you continue to do. Okay, you search for the channel that you want to actually do what they are doing. Okay, so now let me search for YouTube coach. Okay, so let me add Nigeria. Then click on the filter again. Okay, select type. Under type, I will select channel. Okay, then I will now start looking for the channel that is actually doing well. Okay, now for the sake of this video, let me just pick a random channel, okay, so that you will actually understand. Maybe later I will now look for a good channel that can. So click on view channel. Okay, so the channel has 5.71. so let's click on videos to see their this thing. No, if you look at this one has 22 views 1 month ago, so this channel is not active, so I can't copy them. Okay, so I'll continue scrolling. Okay, let me check Coach Benita. Okay, now she has 4 points. Let me check her videos. 332 views 4 days ago. No, it's not encouraging to me. Okay, so I will search grow with. So this is what you continue to do until you get what you need. Okay, until you get what you need. Okay, or how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Okay, now I'll start looking for this thing. Okay, now let me actually look for N with Nneka 600 and this. Let me see her channel. N with Nneka. Let me see her channel.
Ant Dog best platform.
Now click on
cards.
This her logo. Okay,
50 plus
tap on it to
cards.
take me to her channel. She has 18.3k subscribers. Now let me see her videos, her current videos. This one 3 hours ago 103 views. 2 days ago. Instead of wasting your time, let me just copy her link. Okay, I'll copy her channel link. Okay, you click on that 3 dots. If you click on these 3 dots, then click on share, copy link. Okay, so now you have to look for a channel that is actually doing well, that is active. Okay, so you copy their keywords. So I will come here, I will search ytlarge.com. You search. Okay, then you scroll down, you click on monetization checker. Okay, then you allow this to verify. Okay, after verifying, you now paste the link here. You paste the link, then you search. Okay, it's loading. Okay, it has finished loading. Okay, so now the channel is monetized and the ads are active. So you scroll down. If you get to the channel tags, you click on select all. Okay, then click copy selected tags. Okay, you've copied it. Now let's go back to studio. Okay, then click on continue to studio. So if you're having any challenge, just drop it in the comment section, okay, and I will respond to you. All right, so now let's click on settings. Okay, so this is it. You click on channel, then you come to keywords. Okay, keywords, you paste it, you paste the keywords. Okay, then come to country of residence, select Nigeria. Very important. Okay, depending on the country where you are residing. Okay, so when you are done, you click on save. See save here, you click on save. Okay, so you have saved the settings. You click on settings again, you click on default, upload defaults. Okay, now this upload defaults. Now once any settings you do here, okay, if you're uploading video, you don't need to do those settings again. Okay, so here I will add some tags here. Okay, for the upload defaults, I'll add some tags there under the tags, then I'll click save. Okay, so I'm done with that. Okay, so we are done with the major this thing. Then you can click on customization. See customization here, this thing that looks like pencil icon, tap on it. Okay, so from here you can upload your banner. Okay, you can upload your banner by, if you click on upload, you upload your banner. From here you can upload your logo. This second one looks like profile picture. Okay, like when you get to a YouTube like this. Now come to YouTube, so if you come here now, this circle, this one, this small, this you are seeing is the logo, that circle one. Okay, but the longer one is this particular one, the one you see at the top here. This long one now is that banner. Okay, so once you are done, you can even here video watermark, you can add watermark to your video. Okay, you can upload your picture. Okay, it will be automatic. Once you upload your video, it will have that your picture as the watermark. I believe you know what is watermark. Anybody that downloads your video, it will have that picture in it. Okay, don't forget to click on publish after adding your logo and banner, so it will save. So this is how to customize, how to create and customize your channel. Okay, so if you really enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Most importantly, subscribe, okay, and turn on the notification button so you will never miss out on my video. Remember, I just created this new channel so that we can grow from scratch. Okay, so that you can learn everything I'm doing from scratch and you will grow alongside me. Okay, so thank you so much. As we've come to the end of this video, please see you in my next video. Thank you and bye for now. Remember, if you have any challenge, just drop it in the comment section and I will respond to you as quick as possible. Thank you and bye.